Hello, my lovely friends. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful gift box for Mother's Day or to anyone to brighten their day. So if you're ready, let's get started. Take your construction paper and measure a square with sides 15 inches by 15 inches. With an X-Acto knife, cut out your square. Measure and mark a dot from each corner 3.5 inches and then connect the dots so you can create a line 3.5 inches from the outer edges of the square. With your X-Acto knife, cut along the inner 3.5-inch lines. With the help of a ruler, fold each sides of the square. Use a glue and clothespins to secure each side. Then let it dry. The bottom of the box is 8 inches in length, 8 inches in width, and 3.5 inches in height. Now we are gonna make the top for our box. Using the same construction paper, make a square where each side is 11 1/16 of an inch long. From each corner, measure 1.5 inches and mark a dot. Connect the dots again, creating a line 1.5 inches from the outer edges of the square. Then cut it out with an X-Acto knife and cut along the inner 1.5-inch lines. With the help of a ruler, fold each side. Now we're gonna glue the top the same way like we did with the bottom box. If any of the edges sticking out, trim them with X-Acto knife or with scissors. This is our box. I recommend reinforcing the inner sides and the bottom of the box with a foam board. Its measurements are 8 by 8 inches. Now cut out 4 sides, which will be a little smaller than 8 by 3.5 inches to fit inside our box, and secure all of it with the glue. For the decoration, I'm using my own dried roses. If you don't have any, you can order them online or find them in craft stores. You can also just simply paint an image, use seashells, or any beautiful photograph and print it and glue it on top of your box. Be free to create. This is our finished box. Here, I'm creating dream journal, gratitude journal, and writing some of my favorite affirmations and quotes. You can personalize and tailor it to whomever you are giving it to. Some ideas for things you can include are their favorite book, chakra cards, chocolates, skincare, birthstone, crystals, candle, or essential oils. In my box, I also added bath salt with rose petals, soap, and some cozy socks. I hope you enjoy this video, and here is another version of a self-care box I created using different sizes of whole rose buds. Thank you for watching. See you next time.